A very good morning to respected principal madam, teachers and all present here. So today I am Anshika, student of class 8A,
I, Bhavya, student of class 8th.
to host the celebration of this day on this auspicious day of teachers.
So I hope you all will enjoy the performance of the students of Dairy Public School, Goal Market.
So happy Teachers Day to all my lovely and supportive teachers.
Join your hands, close your eyes for morning prayer.
तूने हमें उत्पन्न किया, पालन कर रहा है तू, तुझसे ही पाते प्राण हम, दुखियों के कष्ट हरता है तू, तेरा महान तेज है छाया हुआ सभी स्थान, सृष्टि की वस्तु वस्तु में तू हो रहा है विद्यमान, तेरा ही धरते ध्यान हम, मांगते तेरी दया, ईश्वर हमारी बुद्धि को तू श्रेष्ठ मार्ग पर चला। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
है इसमें कमी। और बड़ी से तले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ ना आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छुपा जा रहा है। तेरी रोशनी में जो दम, तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम। नेकी पर चले और बरी से तले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। हो बुराई करे हम भलाई भरे, नहीं बदले की हो कामना। बढ़ उठे प्यार का हर कदम, और मीठे बैर का ये भरम। नेकी पर चले और बरी से तले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बरी से तले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय, ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय। हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय, दिए विजय जय, दिए विजय जय। प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन, जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन। वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता, ये धारा अक्षय। दिए विजय जय, दिए विजय जय। दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले, हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले। धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का, हो दिन मान उदय। दिए विजय जय, दिए विजय जय। सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें, प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे। सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय, लिए अटल निश्चय। DAV जय जय, DAV जय जय।
So, let's start our celebration.
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on 5th September 1888.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwaraya, Guru Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmahe Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmahe Shri Guruve Namaha.
Let's call Vani from class 7 to present a beautiful song for our teachers.
Good morning, everyone. Today I, Vani Avinash of class 7, am going to dedicate a song to our teachers. नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार, तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं, वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं, वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। Thank you. Hope you all have a nice day.
Mohd Saad from class 6 enlighten us on the Teachers' Day.
Wishing a very good morning to my honorable principal, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Mohammad Saad and I have been selected to deliver a speech on Teachers' Day. I feel honored to get this opportunity to express my gratitude towards my teachers. Teachers are our guides whom we look up to. I convey my best wishes to my teachers and welcome them with a round of applause. Teachers on this day take a break to enjoy and to celebrate themselves and their hard work. Teachers' Day is a day to appreciate and respect all the efforts put forward by a teacher. On this day, teachers from all over the world of different schools, colleges and universities are honored. The date differs country-wise. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was one of the most renowned, excellent and ideal teachers of India. He was a scholar and received Bharat Ratna in 1952. In 1954, he was awarded the German Order pour les Mérite for Arts and Science. He was the first Vice President and second President of independent India. The occasion of Teachers' Day started when some of his students requested him to celebrate his birthday. Instead, he wanted his birthday to be remembered as Teachers' Day. World Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th of October and it started in 1994. UNESCO took the step to celebrate the teachers' accomplishments and the hard work they incorporated in the education field. Teachers form the building blocks of our lives. They stand as sturdy pillars supporting every student. Teachers serve selflessly in making us grow up into responsible human beings. They are that ray of hope in the dark that encourages us to survive. Teachers never considered us any less than their children. They are our other parents who takes our full responsibility in helping us grow. Teachers are our guides and they always stand by us, preparing us to tackle every tough situation that life challenges us with. An ideal and perfect teacher is not one who imparts knowledge, but an ideal teacher is the one who inspires each student to follow their dreams. Students are tough to handle at times, but every teacher has helped us learn from our mistakes and grow. Teachers have scolded us for our wrongdoings and praised us whenever we managed to accomplish any milestone.
So everyone, get ready for watching the dance of our talented students of class 5th B.
हुनर को हमारे तुमने तराशा, आँखों में झांकी तुमसे ही आशा, इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखी, गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तूने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Teachers are like Lord Vishnu, who protect and preserve by teaching good values. Teachers are like Brahma, who expand knowledge and children. Teachers the life Lord Mahesh, how remove bad habits and teach patience.
Ananya will share her views on a teacher key to success.
Morning Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. Right from kindergarten to university, they are the ones who impart knowledge and teach us about everything important. Moreover, they also teach us about ethical values and imbibe in our moral values. Thus, we can say that teachers shape our personality into something very strong and wonderful. Teachers are the real key to our success. A world without teacher would be definitely chaotic. There are only a few people in our lives who impact our world, and teachers are definitely one of them. They assume the role of an educator and caregiver for their students. Sometimes they also become our friends and help us with personal problems. A teacher is the one who will help you become a better person and an informed one. In fact, the fate of students is in the hands of these teachers. They push the students to achieve greater heights and become successful. Consequently, they turn out to be doctors, lawyers, pilots, scientists, and more, only with the help of a teacher. In India, we even celebrate Teachers' Day to honor them on 5th September every year. In this beautiful occasion, let's take the opportunity to convey our wishes to our teachers, who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Thank you.
Now we'll enjoy the drama prepared by the student of class 8.
Hello everyone, what's up? As we all know, today is Teachers' Day. A teacher and a student share a unique bond with each other. We have a bond of mother and child. As we share this beautiful bond, we all must be familiar with the habits of each other. So let's play a game. In this game, students have to guess the name of the teacher by listening their favorite dialogues. Isn't it amazing? I know you would be feeling excited. So let's get started. First, we have Tanisha with us to show her performance. She will do the actions, whereas Nancy, Ananya and Anjali will be guessing it.
यार बच्चे आते क्यों नहीं है मेरी क्लास में? इनको कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है अपने फ्यूचर की कि फ्यूचर में आगे क्या होगा इनका. फेल होएंगे बिल्कुल. ये एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसके अंदर टीचर मिलती ही नहीं है आपको. तो ऐसे बनो ना कि खुद टीचर बनो. अब अगला कौन पढ़ेगा?
Hey, she's Anjana ma'am, right?
Is she Meena ma'am? Oh, I know. Is she Shalini ma'am?
Now let's enjoy the performance of Ananya. Let's see what is the pretending to be. And now Tanisha, Mehak and Anjali will be guessing it.
Good morning everyone. फटाफट टेक आउट योर बुक्स. आज हमें चैप्टर फिनिश करना है. अगर इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट हो तो पूछ लेना. आज फालतू क्वेश्चन मत पूछना, हमारी क्लास का टाइम वेस्ट होगा. आज मुझे ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट करवाना है. अंडरस्टूड?
Hey, is it Reena ma'am?
No, I don't think so. She is Reena ma'am.
Are you talking about Swati ma'am?
Now let's have Nancy to show her performance. And now we have Ananya, Tanisha and Anjali to guess it.
You all are not studying at all except 2 or 3 children. बुक से रीड करने से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. एग्जाम कैन टेक प्लेस ऑफलाइन टू, सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग. तुम्हारा ही लॉस है, मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा. मैं तो पढ़ा के दूर हो जाऊंगी.
Are you pretending to be Anju ma'am?
Is she Vandana ma'am?
I'm aware about this dialogue. She's Gopi ma'am, right?
Let's proceed further and have a look at what Anjali is pretending to be. Now Mehak, Nancy trying to figure out the voice.
Only 15 children in the class. What happened? Are you guys sleeping? Mehak, where's your team? We'll do something you hate the most. So he was very helpful to his family. He was more connected to her father, but he looks like her mother.
I'm not sure.
Is she
Maria ma'am?
Now let's have the last round of our game, and we have Mehak to the acting. Now at last everybody except Mehak will be involving to the figure out the voice.
Vanshika, absent as usual. Disha, Anjali is here. Sandhya. ओके बच्चों, मुझे आप लोगों से एक बात करनी थी. मेरे पास सिर्फ 3 बच्चों की गतिविधि आई है. मैं जानती हूँ सब बच्चों के अंदर क्षमता होती है, सब बच्चे सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप मुझे वो दिखाओ तो. मैंने आपको कभी भी नहीं देखा, ना ही मैं आपको जानती. मैं आपको आपके काम से जानूंगी. अंजू मैम.
Vandana ma'am?
Hey, she's Anjana ma'am, right?
So here the game ends. I hope you all enjoyed it. Play with your friends and let me know who is the winner. For now, bye bye to all and happy Teachers' Day.
Okay, so now the student of class 5th B, the girl Arushi Gupta, going to recite a poem.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arushi Gupta. I am from class 5th B. Today I am going to recite a poem on the occasion of Teachers' Day. The title of my poem is Teacher, a Future Creator. School is like a temple where teachers are immortal and we are like an empty bottle. We always try to fill this bottle, but our teacher says it's still empty total. Whenever we do mischief, our teacher catches like a thief. We always feel that we are cool, but our teacher know that we are just a fool. Teachers are like friends, only when we surrender to them. Teachers are the best guardian, only when we respect them. Teachers are the fond of knowledge, only when we acknowledge. Teacher shows the direction, we are the one who reaches to destination. With the help of our teachers, lots of hard work and affection, we know stepping a stone is growth in our life, but only our teachers gives us this meaningful vibes. Always remember your teacher because they are the ones who creates a future. Thank you.
So, our talented students of class 7th and class 8th going to perform a dance.
ये देख क्या हो रहा है, बच्चा मेरे देश का कितना खुश हो रहा है। लॉकडाउन के गंभीर समय में वो टीचर अपना समय निकाल रही है, न जाने क्या क्या त्याग रही है। बच्चा है उसका छोटा, वो गोदी में सहला रही है, लेकिन ऐ मेरे बच्चे वो फिर भी तुझे पढ़ा रही है। घर फैला है, चाय बना रही है उसके सर में दर्द, लेकिन तुझे हंस कर दिखा रही है। ऐ मेरे बच्चे वो फिर भी तुझे पढ़ा रही है। आता हो कंप्यूटर ठीक से या नहीं, पर तेरे लिए वो जान लगा रही है। इस दुनिया में वो रुपया नहीं जो तोड़ दे एक शिक्षक के जज्बे को, और कोई बोल दे कि वो अनमोल नहीं। अरे टीचर तो वो माली है जो सींच रहा है तुम फूलों को अपने खून पसीने से, और लगा रहा है फिर भी तुमको अपने सीने से। जो कष्ट लिए उन्होंने तुम्हारे लिए, वो अगर जताती, बताती और सुनाती, तो तेरी जिंदगी क्या ही रह जाती। अगर तुझे ना पढ़ाती तो खूब पैसा और आराम कमाती। अगर अब भी ना समझे तो मत घबराओ, बहुत जल्द होगा सच का सामना। पर टीचर कर रही होगी फिर भी तुम्हारी तरक्की की कामना, इसलिए इस फरिश्ते का हाथ हमेशा थामना। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हीं, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हीं, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हीं, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हीं। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हीं, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें।
We have tiny tots of class prep 2 telling us about their teachers.
Good teacher, my teacher is very intelligent teacher. My teacher is very good teacher. My teacher loves like mama. I respect my teacher. She teaches all subjects with a game. Remember, God is in her name. Simati ma'am. She tells us how to keep it. Her name has limit to it. Today, Sima ma'am. You she teaches are awesome. She has the name of wisdom. Moral education teacher Sonia ma'am. Telling stories is her art. She always lives in our heart. Her name is Anju ma'am. Happy Teachers Day ma'am. Learning and drawing is her passion. Thank you, Miss Shali ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
Thank you, teachers, and we wish you a happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, teacher. We love you. Happy Teachers Day. I love all Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I like all the teachers. They help me a lot. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you and Happy Teachers Day all. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. I love all the teachers who care for me. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, dear Reena ma'am. Thank you for always being there for us. Our teachers are very kind and helpful to us always. Thank you.
Teachers Day, dear Meena ma'am. Thank you for being a great teacher. Happy Teachers Day, Anju ma'am. We all love you. Happy Teachers Day, Shalini ma'am. Thank you for helping us.
Happy Teachers Day, dear Geeta ma'am. Thank you for always supporting us.
Happy Teachers Day, dear Meenakshi ma'am. Thank you for always being there for us. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, dear Suman ma'am. Thank you for always encouraging us.
Happy Teachers Day, dear Falguni ma'am, and thank you for taking stand for us.
Happy Teachers Day, dear Shalini ma'am. Thank you for making us a good painter.
Happy Teacher Day, dear Simar ma'am. We all love you and happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to dear Ruchi ma'am. Thank you for always showing us the right path.
What a teacher can write on the blackboard of our life can never be erased.
So, dear teachers, let us recollect the memories we have spent with you.
Morning everyone. I'm Mehek, student of class 8th. Today, I with my friends Nancy and Ananya are going to make you watch a short clip of some of our memories with our loving teachers.
crime missions and the scolding from you in the class.
The memories which we have created in school are the memories for our whole life.
We still remember the way we show our attitude after we erase the blackboard or give the correct answer to a really hard question.
We cannot forget the way we monitor and discipline our class.
School might not be the best place for lot of us, but it was heaven for memories.
The memories are like dust. The longer you don't see it, the bigger it will be.
We felt very proud of ourselves when we were called by you in the assembly.
Thank you for holding our hands in the time of need. We are truly very glad to get studied from you all. Happy Teachers' Day!
Hello everybody, I'm Nancy from class 8. Today, I, with my friends Mehak and Ananya, is going to present some messages from us to our teachers.
Teachers encourage mind to think, hands to create, and heart to love.
You all may not know this, but you inspire us to put our steps forward, just like our moms.
Let us remember that one pen, one book, one child, and one teacher can change the whole world.
I've always been an excellent educator who always knew how to illuminate a soul with its light.
It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge.
Thank you for planting a seed that is going to last a lifetime in us.
A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself and lights the way for others.
Your words, attitude, and action have made such a positive difference in our upbringing.
Education is the key to success in life, and teachers make a lasting impact in the lives of their students.